pretty rocky 2016 with all the uncertainty we had, Trump in the White House and Brexit and whatnot. I think sentiment is as robust as I've seen it for probably 3 years. On the other side of that then, supply and demand is really out of kilter. At the moment there's about 1% of the housing stock available for sale in Dublin, and in a normal market we should have about 4%. So that's led to increased activity levels and prices on the up. In my opinion, the dynamic in the Dublin market has changed a lot in the last 12 months. We're seeing much more investor-led activity, particularly in the upper end of the market now, and that's mainly due to, I suppose, the improvement in residential returns versus the other conventional asset classes. In particular, as I mentioned, the upper end has seen much more activity. As an example of that, if we look at Herbert Park in 2016, there was more transactions than there was in the previous 5 years put together. There's no one specific property type that's most popular. However, I would say for investors, they like 2-bedroom apartments with parking, good spacious apartments in good condition in around the city centre or along commuter lines. For homeowners, condition's less important. They're prepared to spend and renovate for a property they're going to be in for maybe 5 or 10 years, but they're always going to gravitate towards 3 and 4 bed properties in the suburbs with a decent garden, near good schools and amenities. Supply and demand are out of kilter. Over time, with prices increasing, supply side should improve. People can afford to choose to sell their properties again, so that should lead to a much more fluid market with more choice for buyers. But for now, there's really strong competition for good quality properties. So in short, yeah, it's a really good time to sell right now.